Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how to change the air filter on Audi A3 8V or Volkswagen Golf 7 TSI engine. Um, also, this is the same engine that is on the Volkswagen on the Audi A3 Mark 7 and Audi A3 8V. So this is the petrol engine, 1.4 liter, and what you have to change to take out, first time you have to take these two clips out. If you want to go to the air filter, it's a little bit complicated than the previous engine models years. I mean, you have to take this out from here, and then you have to take the other one from down. You will see in a moment. First time, loosen a bit, put your hand under this plastic case and take it out, pull it out a little bit. It has some free clamps there under it that stay there, and then when it's a little bit loosened, you can take out this air hose rubber, but I didn't, so it's not necessarily if you don't want to. It's better to leave it there if you're not so good to put it back. So then you will take this out from here, but first time I was preferring to take the down part, because this down part it gives you more flexibility and it's easier to take the upper part out. Here you will have to use more power to pull it out, but it's not so complicated. If I can do it, everybody can do it. Then you go to upper part here and you pull it with a tool, and after you pull these metallic clamps, you just pull it out. Try to pull it out, try to move it left right, up down, and it will go easily out. Then it's loosened. After it's loosened, under this we'll have two screws. You need a screwdriver. You can see this rubber, it stay there because it's flexible, so you can go under it, and you can take a screwdriver and unscrew this from down. That it's what you will have to do first time. It's here one, and you take it out from here, and it's another one down in the middle. The both screws are directly in the middle. It's very simple. Screw it to the left side, so you have to screw it in the left side. So here is the second one, so you have to take both, but not all the way out. So you have to be careful not to lose this screw under the motor engine, I mean. So you have to screw it, but not all the way. You can leave it a little bit inside, like maybe 3 millimeter, 2 millimeter, and they will stay there without problem, and you can take the upper side of the case out. So you will see in the next moment. I don't have such a good screw there, so you have to I need a little bit time for this, because this screw is a little bit longer. So, and I was very careful not to lose it, so kind of leave inside a little bit of the screw that you can take easily out, but not to lose it under there. So you have to take here are the clamps that stay. You have to fix it in the end. These clamps, you have to push it on the engine, and these clamps will be there. I try first time to open it. Now you have to open these four clamps, plastic clamps there, but I try with the plastic tools and it doesn't work. So then I go to the screw with a longer metallic flat end. So what I have here is a screw with flat end, a little bit longer. You push it there with careful not to break it, and then you go in the upper side until you see it's loosened, and then you make all four. It's very easy, it's not so complicated. If I have a better tool, metallic tool, flat, it will be much more easy and much more fast, and not danger to broke something there, these clamps. So it's very easy actually. You take this out, then from here everything it's super simple. This is the old air filter right here. You can take it out, very easy. But you can also take out the downer part. This down part you can clean it a little bit, and then put the new filter in. So that was, let's check out my old filter. It's kind of, yeah, it's not so dirty, maybe just a little bit, it's a little bit dirty, but anyway I want to change it because the car have almost 10,000 kilometers, and I changed the filter oft if you want to keep the car in good condition. If this case it's dirty, you can take a micro cloth and clean it inside. In mine was dust there, I don't know why, but there was a lot of dust, and I have to wipe it out with a micro fiber cloth. So after I clean this out, I take the new oil filter. This time I chase MAN filter. Before was Male filter, and this time I take MAN filter because I have it on the previous car and was very good. So this is the difference between new and old. It's kind of not so big difference, only the color. So first time you have to take out the downer plastic, you put it in the position, in the perfect position, and after it is in the perfect position and everything is in, then you go there and put the upper part of the plastic. So that's very simple, but here it's a little bit tricky. Take care of the clamps. The clamps have to come directly in the position, in the good position. In the back first time you take care, and then in the front, and then you try to push it in the same time up and down, the same time up and down in the right side, the same time up and down in the left side, and take care that to be close. It will be a little bit harder to close it because the filter have this rubber on the side that help him not get in air or dust from these margins of the plastic. So you have to push it a little bit harder, stronger when you do this, and then check it out 3 times, 4 times to see if these clips are really in good position and it's really close. And take care of the screws. Don't forget to screw it back under, because you have 2 screws under this filter. Screw it back, and then you put the filter in the position, and then you take this plastic hose back and these metallic clamps. First time screws, don't forget the screws, guys. Then it's simple, the same like before. Pull it, push it, left right. You put this first time. But take care to be on the position, on the perfect position, to be right. You have a line there in the plastic, and you have to align it with the line. Here the rubber hose, don't forget to check it out, all have to be in the same position. Upper part, next time you push it in the clamps that you see on the engine under, push it, and then you can hear a click 3 times there, and then it's in the right position. I will adjust this a little bit to be better there, and check it out 2 times before you leave it the engine, and don't forget something there. That's very important when you do it first time. Check everything twice. Now the last part is to put this back. It's very simple as well. The same, pull it and push it. Here it's a little bit complicated with this plastic to push it there, but you did it in the end. You did it. You take care to be on the right, on the line, and that's kind of everything. You put this plastic back. It's very simple. It has only one clamp there, and here in the left side have to be aligned there on the engine, and it's pretty simple, guys. So I hope you enjoy my video. I hope it was helpful. Please like it, subscribe, check out my other video on the channel, and thank you again for watching my video, guys. So I wait you soon with the oil change and filter oil change and all other retrofits that I do on my car in the next days. So thank you again for watching, guys. See you soon. Bye.